Yes, children. The next point, issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Under this, one more point is there, that issue of shares to promoters. Who are the promoters? The person who made his efforts to bring the company into existence. He render various services to bring the company into existence before the starting up. The issue of shares to promoters. After that, at the time of issue of the shares, the directors may decide to issue some shares to the promoters for their services. This issue is known as issue of shares to promoters. For that, entry will be incorporation expenses, and the amount which is paid to them is the incorporation expenses or formation expenses. Incorporation expenses account or formation expenses account debit to share capital, being dash shares issued to promoters. Of course, instead of this we can make it to incorporation expenses or formation expenses to promoters, and then promoters to share capital. Either two entries can be made or only one entry can be made. Next point is issue of shares to underwriters. And who are underwriters? What is underwriting first? Underwriting means a contract by which a person known as underwriter agrees, usually for commission, to take the shares not subscribed by the public. When the company issues shares to the public, but sometimes the public do not apply. So before that, at the time of issue only, some persons come forward to take the shares which are not being subscribed by the public for commission, of course. So this the company may issue shares to the underwriters instead of making the payment of commission in cash. That is the issue of shares to underwriters. Means the persons who agrees to take the shares by the shares not subscribed by the public, of course, for commission is known as the underwriters. So for these entries will be underwriting commission account debit to underwriters account, underwriters account debit to share capital account. Of course, instead of these two we can write one underwriting commission account debit to share capital, being dash shares means number of shares issued to underwriters. Let us see once again the issue of shares to promoters. That we all know who is promoter. The person who made his efforts to bring the company into existence, means who get the idea of starting up the company, and he made all his efforts to bring the directors into, and he makes some contracts, and he makes the documents prepared, and he applies for that. For that he made his services. So the company may decide to issue some shares to the promoters for their services. For that, entry will be incorporation expenses or formation expenses. Either of these two can be written to share capital. Instead of one, we can make it into two. Incorporation expenses account debit to the promoters, and promoters account debit to share capital. Okay. And the second point is issue of shares to underwriters. Who are underwriters? The persons who come into agreement to take the shares, of course, for commission, which are not being subscribed by the public, and we have to pay. The company has to pay commission. Instead of making the commission in cash, the company may issue shares to the underwriters. For that, entries will be underwriter and commission account debit to underwriters account, being underwriting commission due, and underwriters account debit to share capital account, being shares issued to underwriters. Of course, instead of these two, so we can make it into one. So we can pass only one entry, underwriting commission account debit to share capital. This is about the issue of shares to promoters to underwriters. This issue comes under the point issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Of course, issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Shares can be issued by the company against the purchase consideration of assets, and shares can be issued to the promoters, and shares can be issued to the underwriters.